What's up guys, and I am back with another video. Today I will be teaching you how to assemble and disassemble your scooter. Okay, let's get straight into the video. Let's go. What's up guys, and today I will be teaching you how to assemble and disassemble your scooter. Okay, so let's get straight into it. First, you need your tools. So I have my toolkit right here. So you need your wrench that came with the scooter. Your Allen wrench that came with your scooter, or if you just have one that you got from like Home Depot or something. And you're gonna need the right size. Then you're gonna want to. Okay, so you're gonna need your Allen wrench. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, see these things? You're going to want to put your Allen wrench in it and turn it counterclockwise. And you're going to want to spin it a little bit each way. A little bit counterclockwise. But don't fully undo it, or else it's not going to be good. Your bars might fall off. And now do it all the way. Okay, now, as you can see, it's moving, so then you can take it off. So take off your bars and set them to the side. Okay, and then you're gonna wanna take the clamp off and put it to the side with the bars. Then you're gonna wanna take your headset off. Okay, so you're gonna want to take, oh hold on, crap, I didn't put the gloves on. So guys, if you're doing this, I recommend you do it with gloves, and I forgot to do it with gloves, so now my hands are gonna be a mess. So now I have the one glove on, now I just need the other glove on. Finally got it. Okay, then let's remove the headset. I have this nice Envy one that matches my deck. It is an oil slick one. It sounded bad, but this is an oil slick headset. It's really nice. It works really good. So if you need a headset, buy this at Envy. Okay, next you're gonna want to take this out. You can see right there, you're going to want to take this stuff out around the side. So let's do that next. Okay, so I cannot do that. So this is good if you have a tool, because then you can just use it then. Now. Okay, so I could not get it out, but if you are disassembling your scooter, you basically just want to put in your headset. Mine's orange, so put that in first, and then put this one in. But then at the very bottom, there's going to be another orange one, so then you put that one in the very bottom right there. So you're going to have an orange one here, orange one there, and then a little gray cap thing around the top. So that's basically it for that part. So we're just gonna skip that part. I basically explained it to you. So if you're gonna take the wheels off, you're just gonna need your wrench. I actually have pegs on mine right there. So if you're gonna take your pegs off, I'm not, because I'm gonna be probably riding tomorrow. You just almost like put it in the thing and twist it, and make sure you have a thing to hold this side. So like a wrench to hold that side. If you had to clean your fork, just take out the bearings, those orange things I showed you, and I got them from Envy. So if you need a good headset, go to Envy. It's basically it for this part. And then the brake, you're gonna want to find a tool to fit in there, which is the tool that came with it. So you put it in, And then you're gonna wanna find a little part that fits that to hold it, so when you twist this part with your Allen wrench, it doesn't like move. So you're gonna need the tool to fit it on the back. And then same thing for the back wheel. I got the brake that came with it and the back wheel peg, as you can see, and got the oil slick deck. I got the Mayhem bottom, and pretty much it. I got the Mayhem grip tape, as you can see, it says Mayhem. Yeah. Oh, I got 110 wheels, 110mm wheels. They're really nice. This is a light scooter. Yeah. The wheels are pretty easy too. So how I still have the peg. So you just use your tool, do your Allen wrench. You put it in. You make sure it's in the tool, the nut, and then you take your wrench. You put it right here, sideways, so like scissors. You put it in, and you just unscrew it from this side. It's pretty easy. I'm not going to be doing that because I'm going to be riding tomorrow, so I don't want to reassemble it all the way. So yeah. And I also am going to be putting these things in. I ordered this off of Lucky, so shout out to Lucky for these. Hopefully they work nice. They look really good. Mine actually broke because there was Loctite on it and I couldn't get them off, so me and my dad had to cut it off. So yeah, that's why we got these. It looks almost like a perfect fit. We're probably only going to use the spacers because I have pegs, like I said, and this won't fit the pegs. And if you do get pegs, you're going to have a shorter one that is a little longer than this for your front one right here. So as you can see, the thing is probably going to be from like here to about there. So almost the size of a thing I got from Lucky. And the back peg is going to be pretty big, like this. It's from here to here, so probably about 4 inches. So the bigger one goes for the back, and the smaller one goes for the front. And I have these T-bars. Don't mind this. I'm gonna move those over probably tomorrow. And then there's stock with bars. And I have my 3 clamp stock. So that's pretty much it. If this video gets 10 likes, I will bring this to the skate park and show you guys. Now I'm going to be showing you how to put it back together. Okay, so you're going to need your headset. Your headset that goes right in there. So you just want to push it down like that. And if you have an oversized or the other ones, then you might have to take this off, the clamp, and then put it in, not the clamp, what's it called? I don't know, I forget, but this thing goes all the way up to there. And you might have to take this off and then put it on first. So if yours doesn't look like mine, then just do what I said. And that's pretty much it. Then you're going to want to put your clamp in whichever way you want. And make sure your headset cap is whichever way you want. So I kind of like mine to match, in my opinion. So, and this ring fell off. So let's push that back in. Oh, hold on. In my scooter, I have it's almost like a rubber band type thing, but it goes around the outside. If you can see it, there's a little part that's sticking up right there. And it basically just protects it from getting hurt, and it just saves it for a longer amount of time. Pretty much it. Sorry about the noise upstairs. We're redoing. So put this on, basically. Make sure you like where it's gonna be at. That looks pretty good. Push it down, looks pretty good, everything's good. Then put your clamp in, whichever way you want, this way or the opposite way, so like that. I personally like mine to the right. And then you're gonna want to put your bars in like that. And just push down, and then make sure everything is lined up. So basically just put your scooter on the floor or just put it to the edge. Hold on, I'll show you guys in a second. Like this. Oh, no, that's not gonna work. So if you guys don't have pegs, then you guys can try me. Just do it like that. Hold on. So I'll do my bars. Like that. So I have pegs, so I can't do that. But I'll make one straight. Look at the handlebars. Give me a second. Look at the handlebars. Make sure your clamp is straight or however you want it. And yep, that looks pretty straight. I got that cool little design right there. Got the pegs, go straight up to the bars, 2 bars. Yeah, almost looks pretty straight. Just give me about a few seconds to make it perfect. Okay, now it's perfect. So now what you need is your tool. So I have my tool at my face. I have my tool right here. And shout out for Lucky for sending me these stickers with these little bolts for my scooter. And I got Lucky. I got the K. I got more Lucky. I have Envy, of course, and this more Lucky. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys want to send me more stuff to put on my helmet, that would be great. So find your tool, take it out, then at the clamp you're going to want to put it in, except turn it the way that is counterclockwise, and just do a little bit for each one. And now do it all the way. It's easier if you have somebody to hold the bars, because then it doesn't move. But I'm only the one person that's doing this, so you just gotta work with it. Looks like I didn't do a good job on the first one. Now I'll go through and do it good. Make sure it's all good, because when you're riding, you don't want the bars to be crooked. This one looks pretty good. That one's good. The last one, sorry, messing up, but that looks good. Now you have your scooter all complete. You got the back, at the front, explain to you with the headset and stuff. You got the clamp, and then you got the bars. And of course, safety first, always wear your helmet. Okay guys, this is it for today's video. Like I said, if this video gets 10 likes, I will be doing a part 2 and maybe have some new stuff on my scooter to explain to you. Like maybe some more Envy stuff or Lucky stuff or just whatever. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace out.